Welcome back to Perky Mom and Kids. As you all know, protein is vital for child growth and development. Kids can be picky eaters, but luckily there are plenty of great options for adding protein to their diet. One of them, which is favorite for my kids, is I am sharing here with you all. Roasted chana. Roasted chana is a superfood that is loaded with health benefiting properties. Jaggery and chana is considered as a very good combination from our old time, and it's full of loaded with health benefits that will improve your overall health. So start consuming jaggery and chana from today for you and your kids also, so you can gain all the benefits and live healthy life. As you all know, kids are picky eaters, so directly they will refuse to eat roasted chana. So making small laddus with ghee and jaggery is a very good idea to make them eat. Nowadays, people are highly dependent on medicine to stay healthy. We have forgotten what it means to eat healthy. These laddus are very healthy and tasty and nutritious for you and your kids also. So try this recipe for your kids from today. I'm sure they will like it. Now moving towards my next protein, iron and calcium rich recipe. Here I am taking 2 tablespoons of almonds, cashew nuts, sunflower seeds, pumpkin seeds, walnuts, peanuts and sesame seeds. You can also add pistachio and 1 full bowl of dates. Almonds are very rich in protein, vitamin E, calcium and magnesium. Almonds improve brain function. Cashew nuts are good source of minerals. Walnuts are rich in antioxidants and is a good source of omega-3 acids. Sunflower seeds are high in vitamin B6, that is biotin, and it also contains vitamin E, B1, iron, copper and manganese. Pumpkin seeds are high in antioxidants. Dates are very nutritious, high in fiber, high in antioxidants and improves brain function, and is a very good natural sweetener. So we don't need to add any sugar or any other sweeteners. Peanuts are very good source of protein, and sesame seeds are a very good source of calcium also. Kids are not ready to eat directly all these dry fruits and nuts. So mix all this dry fruit protein powder to dates and give to your kids. I am sure they will not deny and they will enjoy it. These laddus are rich in biotin, iron, calcium, protein, and all other minerals required for body. You can add this protein powder to milk also. This will help to sharp your kids' memory.